What's up, guys? It's a little show and tell about how my little van project's coming along. So I've got these shelves here. That's going to be my office shelves. Where you can see that gumboot down there, center frame. Just behind that, there's the water bucket for the dehumidifier. Spare engine oil. So I've got all this room down here. You can get the weed eaters in and out easily from the front and the back. I had to see how that's not square. I had to make this unsquare to make sure you could pull the engine compartment of the weed eater up there. Got this, it's about 6 foot long solid workbench in here. It's all spaced up so it fits. Just use some carpet to wedge it in there. It's held down just by this lip, but each individual piece was put into place one at a time, and it's really quite stout. I've just got my little vise on here now. I've got a bigger one too, but I was thinking to mount the bigger one somewhere else, because this workbench here is also my bed eventually. But more of a workbench. You can see we're starting to get storage areas in here, so I've got like places to put my hammers. I've got to think about working with other people out of the van, so I've got a place here to put the regular duty hammers, and then I've got my hammers with the polished faces more on the inside, so people don't grab them and start smashing nails with my nice polished face hammers. Got to have a square. It's not quite square, that's why I cut it short, because it's not square enough to be that long. Square enough for some things. Got this nice bit of wood here, that's going to be the step here. So today, and this is all tied in, there's a little bit of movement in it still, but once I get this wall that's coming in here, got these uprights. I've still got to shave a little bit off it. Now I take this cork tile, cut out little bits of the cork tile and put it in between the wall and this thing. It allows it to flex a little bit without squeaking or making noise. Doing the same kind of thing here with carpet. It just sits there and the whole thing moves slightly as the fan vibrates. It will stop it from ruining the paint quite so fast. So I'm going to cut this down, I think. I'm trying to figure out how to make this a nice easy walkthrough without too much of a lip, but in a way it's good to have a lip because it's going to stop things from sliding. And I was thinking about putting a center console, like a low center console in here anyway, so then I'd have another storage area underneath it and a place to put the office material, so when I'm like going around doing jobs, I've got my invoice book and my phone and everything set up in the briefcase right here. Yeah, so I think I will go with that center console idea. I'll just make it a step over center console, so that means I don't need this floor plate. And that's just going to be, center console is going to extend all the way back to here. The only downside with it being, last night I slipped on the floor here. Now I don't want, or whatever's there's got to be solid for one thing. Nice to be able to extend your feet into it. So I think what I'll do, I will lower that a little bit to like the thickness of this floor plate, and maybe just put a shorter step there. Now, anyway, yeah, that's design processes always take a long time to do when you're doing the building at the same time. Alrighty, sure is fun.